Come on a nature walk with me in Red Bug Slough Preserve in Sarasota, Florida. That was the entrance sign, and here's one of the paths. There is more than one path here. Here we have a sign for dog owners that tells them to keep the dog on a 6-foot leash at all times and to take a plastic bag for their business when they do it. Now let's go into the woods. This tree is marked with the plaque on the bottom. It's called the Loblolly Bay. And that's what it looks like up close. It's too bad you can't smell as well as see, because the woods have quite a fragrance to them. We've had a lot of rain and we have heavy humidity. This is August after all in Florida, and really smell it. Now here's something interesting on a nature walk. Let me try to zoom in on this. There it is. Do you recognize that? It is a pine cone that someone or something has eaten right down to the very core. And we're going to try to see if we can find out who is eating them. Want to see a nice tall pine tree? There you go. Way, way, way up. Wonder how long that tree has been living here in this little woods. There are a lot of side paths. We'll let the dogs go past. Oh, here are some creatures that are interesting. Oh, they move so fast. I'm trying to catch an anole. Now, some people call them anoles, but A-N-O-L-E is how you spell the name, and we call them anoles. I don't think I got that one. They're so small, but there are lots of them here. They're not the ones eating the pine cones, though. They're too small to do that, I can guarantee you. Here is something interesting. I don't know, once again, if I can catch it. It is a spider. Spider webs are really hard. There it is. See it? It's in the top. There it is. In the center middle is a spider in the spider web. That black object moving around. Whoa. It's really moving today. Oh my goodness. Building its web, that's why. Won't get out of its way. Well, I found you an anole, a spider, and the pine cone that's been eaten. That's all for now.